Hi there, students. To ameliorate. A verb. I guess the noun is amelioration. Okay, to ameliorate means to make a bad or unpleasant situation less bad, or to make it better. Yeah, to ameliorate is to improve it. A roof on this house might ameliorate the conditions inside, okay, to make better. So if you're using ameliorate, it's to improve something that is in a negative condition. They made a compromise in an effort to ameliorate the situation. Notice as well, to ameliorate, I make this better, so I ameliorated the situation, but also the situation ameliorated. It can go both ways. Yeah, the situation ameliorated. This is intransitive. Okay, so to make or to become better. Volunteers came to ameliorate the unhealthy conditions in which the squatters were living. Yeah, the conditions that they are living in are now being ameliorated. They are now ameliorating. So to improve, yeah, to get better, to turn around, to advance, to not look so bad. I think this situation is so bad that nothing can ameliorate it. I know that nothing can make up for the bad things I've done, but I hope this bunch of flowers might ameliorate at least how you feel about it. So to make something more tolerable, he took some medicine to ameliorate the pain. So he's still in pain, but less. And that's really the idea of to ameliorate, to help or improve a situation. The illness is terminal, and the only thing we can do is ameliorate the pain, or ameliorate the symptoms, yeah, to make them less bad. Okay, so if something's impossible to make better, well, at least you could ameliorate it. I think that the vaccine, if you've had the first dose of your vaccine, this will ameliorate your condition if you get COVID. Okay, so to ameliorate, to make a bad situation less bad. Let's see, I wouldn't normally use this for something good. Yeah, this is beautiful, but I'm sure we can ameliorate it. Doesn't really sound right. Yeah, it needs to be something bad that's looking better, that it's less bad. A couple of beers might ameliorate my bad mood. Yeah, nothing can ameliorate this. Okay, so to ameliorate. How formal is this? I would give it a 6.5, 7. I wouldn't use ameliorate in an informal conversation. I would to get better, to improve, to make more tolerable. And then the origin from Latin, a, to, and mejor, better. So meliorate, mejor, mejor, to better. So to make better, yeah? Or in this case, I think just to make less bad. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ameliorate. Oh, yeah, it's a regular verb.